Hi everyone. Good evening, guys, all of you. So, guys, am I audible? Okay, right. Come to guys here in the last session. Okay. So in the last class, we discussed how to change user password in Oracle database. Okay, no. So this is one thing we discussed in the last class here. Okay, right. And the next one is called as here. Okay. What is the next one here? Suppose if you are forgot it your password. Suppose once you forgot it your password, then how we can go to recreate your new password. Okay. Now, so let me see now how to create a new password. Okay. If we forgot it. Okay. Now, so now in this case, let me see. So whenever you want to, okay, create a new password, okay, whenever you forgot it, what is the syntax for this? The first I will go to give it syntax and carefully observe the syntax, what it is here. Alter user and have to send my username. So identified by, I'm passing here new password. Okay, this is what. So when we go for this, okay, alter user username identified by new password. Okay, how it was. For example, let me come out and see. What is our user ID yesterday? My DB 4 p.m. and the password is ABC. Now you connected now. Okay, you connected now. But suppose this password is forgotten. I don't know the password. I don't know the password. I forgot it here. So whenever you forgot it here, then how I can create my new password? And this new password is also who will create it here. Database administrators are created. So whenever user forgot it the password, they will sending request to the admin. Then admin will create one more new password on the name of mydb 4 p.m. So now what he will do as an admin. Okay. So now he was writing the statement alter. So user and username system. Okay, username not system. Username is what now? MyDB 4 p.m. And I will go for identified by password MyDB 4 p.m. So now I executed your user successfully altered. Then after this user, after recreated your new password for 4 p.m. user, then the new password is only allowed because old password I forgot it ABC. So now I'm giving new password. Now I'm going to enter. Now it will be connected here. Understand now? So if once you forgot it your password, first what you want to do, first you have to connecting with your system administrator, then use this syntax and later check. Then your password successfully recreated now. Your password successfully recreated. Understand now? So this is how we can go to create a new password if I forgot it. Okay, right. Same as the next one is what it is here. So how I can suppose you forgot it your user ID, for example. Okay, for example, you forgot it your user ID. So whenever you forgot it your user ID, okay now. So then what you want to do? How I can see my username? Okay, how I can see my username? Okay, now it is absent. How to view a username in Oracle database? Okay, if we forgot it, if we forgot it. Okay, what is the syntax here? So what is the syntax here? The syntax is select user name from all underscore users. Here, all underscore users is called as a table name. It's one of the predefined table we call. So in this table, your all usernames are going to be saved here. All usernames are going to be saved here. Okay, right. Let me come out and see, and who will I can see it here. So my user system and the password is Tiger. So now I connected, and he will be writing like select username from all underscore users. So there are so many users are there. Can you see the predefined users? Can you see SYS is one of the predefined users. System is one of the predefined users. These are all other predefined users. Okay, now. So along this, our creation of users also that say now you can see MyDB PM, MyDB 2 PM. Okay, MyDB 9 a.m. So MyDB 2 p.m., MyDB 4 p.m., MyDB 9 a.m., U100, U13, U12, okay, U11. So these are all are called as what now? User defined. That means we are created our usernames. So whenever you want to forget it, your username, okay, you just go to call that syntax and you will see your all users information. Okay, this is one thing how we need to view my username if I forgot it. Okay, now. So what is here? Select username from all underscore users. Okay, now. So this is. So once you forgot it, your password, how to create? Okay, any user password if you forgot it, how to create? And once you forgot it, your username also, then I can see my usernames or user details also I can see by using of a select username from all underscore user statement. Okay, so these are the things guys here about your, okay, the creation of username, how to create a new users, how we can give granting permissions of users, how to change password, how to create a new password if user will forgot it their password, how I can see my username or user IDs if I forgot it my username also. Okay, now so these are the things guys here you should be use it now. Okay, right. After that, this user creations and everything will be happened. Then finally we called as a how to drop a user from Oracle database. Okay, na? From Oracle database. So now when you want to drop your, okay, what is the syntax for this? What is the syntax? Syntax means a predefined formulas, which is predefined, not user defined. Okay, that's why syntaxes cannot be changed. You just follow the predefined formulas. So what is the formula? Drop user, username, and we have to give cascade. So your cascade is called as a predefined keyword we called. Cascade is called as a predefined keyword we called. So now let me come out. So now these are users are there. Okay, these are users are there. So now I'm going to drop now. So drop user. Suppose my username is mydb 4pm. User is I'm dropping now with cascade queue. So now we can see the mydb 4pm user is dropped. The previously 44 users are there, including mydb 4pm. But now we can see 43 users are there. And can you tell me mydb 4pm user is there or not there? Come on, guys. Okay, not there. So like you can drop it. So any user can drop. Suppose I'm going to drop user username I called as mydb 2 p.m. Suppose if I want to drop this, so cash square, I can drop this. Like you can drop here another user. Yeah, dropping means what? No, deleted. So suppose I'm going to delete here u11. I'm going to delete. So u11 I'm going to delete. So deleted now. Next in the same pattern, okay, u12, u12, u13, okay, u12 I'm going to drop. Next the same as u13 I'm going to drop. Next the same as okay, u100 I'm going to drop. Okay, like we can drop it here. So finally you can come out and see, so these many usernames I drop from my Oracle. Okay, then you can come out and check it out. All users are deleted. So now see, all users are deleted. These are the predefined users are there, but user defined users are we deleted. Only one user is left, MyDB 9 a.m. here. Okay, na? So like whenever you want to drop is nothing but, some people are confusing. Drop is nothing but delete only. Understand? Na? The meaning of drop is nothing but delete. So how to delete a user from Oracle database? Okay, by using of drop command, I can do this. So now I'm going to writing now. Okay, SQL. So drop username, drop username, mydb 4 p.m. and I'm using Cascade. Okay, so these are the things, guys, here to must be remembered initially when you're working with the Oracle. Okay, so now this is completely Oracle related information. This is called the introduction part of Oracle. So Oracle, what is Oracle? The purpose of Oracle, Oracle versions, futures, and Oracle installation, downloading, installation. Okay, na? Then after we called as how to create a new user, how to change your password, yes or no. So these all kind of things we discuss in this session, and these are completely the introduction part of your Oracle. Okay, now, so now up to now, actually yesterday, okay, my Google Classroom is not working, guys. Actually, I informed to my people, they're sending again. The people are again sending to me. I want to check it. So again, same problem is came. Huh? One second, guys. సురేందర్, గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ నాకు రాలేదండి.
అదే సార్ చూసాను, మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్ వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా.
మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్ వస్తుంది.
అదే సార్ ఇందాక అదే సెట్టింగ్స్ కూడా చేంజ్ చేసి మళ్ళీ పంపించాడు అనమాట, ఇన్వైట్ చేసి. ఇంకొక లింక్ క్రియేట్ చేయమని చెప్తాను సార్ అయితే.
లేకపోతే ఇంకోటి క్రియేట్ చేయమని, ఎందుకంటే ఇది మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్ వచ్చేస్తుంది.
అదే సార్ చూసాను, రాస్తున్నాను.
యా యా యా
సార్ ఇంకోటి పేజ్ చేయమని చెప్తాను.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
So see, guys, still I'm not getting Google Classroom. Okay, they're having a problem. That's why yesterday the notes also not uploaded. So maybe some problem is there in this. Okay. right? And maybe the admin was said like that today they will be overcome this problem. And once I receive your Google Classroom, so complete notes I will upload to you. Okay, na? No problem. Okay, right. And this is now part of your faculty guys. Okay, so now from now onwards, you can see when it was come to here. Okay, so we discussed about DBMS and we discussed the Oracle tool, about the Oracle tool we discussed. And this is today, we started our main queries here. Okay. So SQL language queries and what is SQL? And from here onwards, your practicals and the main queries and programs will be started. Okay. Now today, the third topic was called as a SQL. So come back to your, don't worry, you don't mind. Okay. Don't worry about your notes. I will send complete notes. Okay. Na? So I will send you complete notes. So don't worry about it. Okay. Right. Now, and the next one, the third topic, number 3, and the topic is called as SQL. And this is very big topic. It will take almost 30 sessions. We are spending on this. We are spending on this almost 30 sessions we are spending. Okay. Right. So first of all, we will discuss about the SQL language. What is SQL and SQL language generally? Is it case sensitive language or not? And what kind of operations we can do by using of SQL and what kind of commands are there? Okay, there's all kind of informations we are discussing through this SQL language. And these are very important queries and whatever it was. Okay, na? So now, okay, right. So now you can see the lines. So what is SQL and SQL purpose and SQL through what kind of operations we can perform it. Okay, na? Right. Let me see first some introduction part we will discuss guys here. So we all of you know this here, SQL stands for, okay, you all of you know SQL stands for, okay, structure, okay, structure query language, structure query language. Okay, na? Structure query language. And this language, the main intention of this language is, okay, so first of all, which was, I already said to you, which was introduced by, so who will introduce this one means introduced by IBM. IBM for what purpose we said here? For communication purpose, communicate with the database, communicate with the databases. Okay, now this is the main cause of your SQL. Okay, and now next one, this SQL, the structure query language. Initially, the people called as it is a SQL language. Okay, now the initial name, the initial name. Okay, what is the initial name of this language means? So the initial name is called as SQL. Okay, what is the initial name is here? SQL. Okay, SQL. So your SQL stands for, here S stands for structure, E stands for English, QUER. Okay, so stands for what now? Query. L stands for language. So structure English query language. Structure English query language. This is initial name. And later on, and later, okay, it was renamed. It was renamed as a SQL. Structure query language, simple. So nowadays, if you go to outside, so many people in companies or industries, so many people are called as what now? Okay, SQL also called. Okay, na? So now, initially, now the people nowadays also, so many company people, so many working employees, so they're called as a SQL. So a SQL is the initial name of this language. and which was by IBM. Later on, the sequel later on it was changed as a SQL. So present the name of this SQL is called as what now? SQL. This is old name and this is the latest name of your SQL. Okay now, right? So now we can go for to check it out. In this SQL, okay, this language, okay, is a case sensitive or not a case sensitive? If anybody asks you, so SQL language commands that's called SQL commands are not a okay. One hello. One second. These people are sending. So I want to check again. So these are sending to me again invitation. Okay, guys, and now see, I'm going to sending this complete information. Okay, one second. One second. So your entire notes I'm going to upload here. So your batch is started on 18th now. First demo, okay, demo 119 we started. Okay. So Oracle class notes. Okay, from so 19th we started here, okay? From 19th to the today the date was your 106. Okay, no? So Oracle class notes to adding this file now. Okay, guys, the students, you can go to open your chat box, all of you. So Upender was sending one more Google Classroom link. to everyone, open your chat box and join into that. Okay, join into that, all of you. So again, new Google Classroom was sending to you. Open your chat box, all of you, open your chat box and join into that. Just click on that, click on that. Just click on that. Just click on that, guys, here. So your notes, complete notes, I send it. Just open this notes. When you click on this Oracle 4 p.m. Okay. So now 19th 5. So day 1 to demo 1 to complete notes of today. This is just a class notes here. This is just class notes here. So up to today, the session. Okay. These are the session. All users are there. And now your recording videos also I kept into this. Okay. Now this will be, you can go to check it out. And all of you, the new link, all of you take it first of all. New link, take it, all of you. Come on, guys. Click on that. It was asking to you anything? Any class code is asking to you or directly joined? Tell me. Is it any class code is asking to you or joined? Got it, all of you? Any class code is asking to you? Any class code is asking to you? So directly added a. Okay. Anybody, it will be asking any class code for other people because some people directly they join. Asking okay. So who will, okay, to get that problem, the class code, you can take this one. All of you. Okay. So for which people purpose asking class code, you can take this. So this is your class code. If anybody wanted class code, just put it. Guys, so your admin also sending to you class code, and I also sending to, just check it your class code and who will get this class code option. So please type this class code and join. Come on, all of you. Now is it clear? So who are successfully joined, just please send me a message. Who was successfully joined? Okay. Just me. Yes or no? Okay. So, Upender, some students are getting the problem is this class is full. Upender, if you are there, just observe. Some students are sending message to you. Class, okay. Class is full. Okay, once check it out. Wait, guys, wait. The people are checking that who are unable to connect or unable to join. So who are getting like this class is full, who are getting this kind of message. So just please wait. Our admin will go to take that problem. Okay, na? Yeah, Satyam, wait. Class is full. Wait, guys. Our people are resolving that problem. Just wait. Just 2 minutes. Wait here. I already informed to our admin. So yes, he will checking now. He will checking now. Okay, Upendra. Okay. Okay, guys. No problem. Already we are informed to our people, so they will take care of that problem. Okay, don't worry. So, but present I have to go. Okay, I already uploaded this class up to the notes up to the starting to today. Complete notes will be there. Okay, na? And now, next come out here. Okay, now you can see the part of to what we said. Okay, what we said. SQL stands for structure, query, language. Okay, so which was introduced by IBM for for communicating communicating with databases. Okay, right. So the next point, what we discuss, the initial language, that means initial name of, okay, or initial name is, what is your SQL? Initial name is SQL, and later renamed as, SQL. Later renamed as SQL. Okay, and next what I'm saying here, SQL is not a case sensitive language. SQL is not a case sensitive language. So what is the mean by case sensitive? What is the mean by case sensitive? So SQL is called as a not a case sensitive. Okay, now. So what is the mean by case sensitive? Can anybody go to give it a clarity? Come on, guys. What is the mean by case sensitive? Anybody? So guys, here uppercase characters means what now? Lower and that means a case sensitive means what now? Lower and uppercase both you need to check. Okay, na? So suppose in Java, you can see Java is called as a case sensitive language because of reason when you in Java, whenever you want to write here capital, okay, when the main method, in the spelling main method, if M is a capital, then your Java program execution will not start it. Okay, your Java program execution will not start it. Understand? Na? Yes. So, but if I same thing, if I'm using the small, then it will be allowed to you. So, then it will be allowed to you. Then it will be allowed to you. Okay, the reason is what, sir? Means that your Java programming language is called a case sensitive. So your case sensitive is nothing but simply remember upper and lower cases verification. Upper and lower cases verification. Okay, na? So whenever, wherever we need to require capitals, there must be required or must be put capitals only. Wherever it was required small case character, there must be use a small case character only. Okay, na? Otherwise, it doesn't go to allowed. Understand now? So that is what we call the case sensitive. Case sensitive means the syntactical specifications. If it is upper, it must be upper. Lower, it must be lower. Okay, na? Right. So now here also that kind of things are called case sensitive. But unfortunately, your SQL language is not a case sensitive. SQL language is not a case sensitive. That means we can write SQL queries in uppercase, okay, in uppercase, or else, okay, in lowercase we can write uppercase or lowercase or combination of upper and lower case characters. Upper and lower case character. So this is what we called it not a case sensitive. For example, when you want to write your query statement, all are going to be capital. So like all are going to be capital. So this is also executed. There's nothing problem. Executed means allowed. Suppose you are writing all are to be small case characters. So this is also allowed to us. There's nothing problem. Next, some what it is here, the combination of okay capital and small. So the combination of a capital and small. So this is also going to be allowed. So it means what now? Your SQL language is not a case sensitive. That means you can write your SQL queries either in uppercase or in a lowercase. Any manner you can go to use and write. So all types, you can write all are in the capital format. It was allowed. All are to be in the small case characters. It is also allowed. And the combination of capital and small, it is also allowed. Okay, na? Right. So now this is what we called. Now, here observe. In this SQL, we have some sub languages also there. Okay. What are the sub languages of SQL? Okay. Basically there are 5 types of sub languages we have. First one we called as data definition language. That is what we called as DDL. So in this language commands, what kind of commands comes under in this? So we called as here the create command, and we have your alter. Again in this alter, we have a sub commands here, alter modify. Next we have here one more, that is what we called as alter add. Next one we have here, okay, alter rename. Next one we called as here alter drop. This is one section. And next we have one more command is there, rename command. Then after we have your truncate. Then after we have a drop. So these are the some commands we have here. Okay. These are DDL commands we called. So along with the DDL commands, these are some latest commands also work. That is called the latest futures. The latest futures, okay, what it was in DDL means, so first one we called as what now? Recycle bin. Second one is called as a flashback command. Third one is called as a purg command. So these are the in the latest version. So few more commands are there: recycle, flashback, and purg. Okay, now this is one type. Same has come to the second language, data manipulation language. Data manipulation language. That's called as DML. That's called as DML. In DML, we have a commands like insert, commands like update, commands like delete. And when you go for in the latest futures, what is the latest commands or futures in this? So those are we called as your insert all command, and next one we called as your merge command. So these are the commands which will comes under in DML. And the third language we called as a data query language. Data query or else query language. That's called as DQL. Or else, even though someone or some people are called as data retrieval. Okay, data retrieval language. Okay, this is called as DRL also. But both are same. Okay, some people calling data query, some people calling data retrieval. And here the thing is the command was only one command select. And the fourth one is called as what now? Transaction. Okay, control language. So that is what we called as a TCL. In transaction control language, which commands will come to us? So the commands are commit. Okay, the commands are rollback. The command will be save point. And the next five sublanguages, last language is called as data control language. That's called as DCL. So DCL language commands, how it will be means that, so we called as grant command and we called as revoke command. Okay, now? So these are the complete commands, guys, here. Okay, in your SQL language, and total we have a 5 sub languages of SQL language, and each sub language is having a few commands here, or those are the commands which was comes under in these languages, particular languages. So data definition languages commands, these all are comes under data definition language, and including the latest features. Next one, data manipulations language we called as commands, and the latest features these are. Next, data query or retrieval, and next one transaction, next one data controlling. Okay, so these are the complete language and language commands, guys. Okay, right. And now let me go these commands. Okay, one by one I will explain to you first of all, because you when you want to know the clear information about these commands, then it was very easy. And these commands are where and when and how I can go to use in my database tables. Okay, so every command, the command purpose, reasons, intentions, how it was working. Okay, so these each and everything I will explain to you. Understand now? So now, but the practical examples maybe I will start it on tomorrow, So I stop it here today. And today, the people will be created Google Classroom link and complete notes I will be uploaded. Okay, na? So now and tomorrow onwards, your main query, okay, queries are we started tomorrow. The query practicals are we go to started now. Okay, na? Right, guys. So I stop it here and will be continue the today notes also I'm going to sending in Google Classroom. Everything I'm going to sending to you. Okay, there is no problem for you. Every notes you will be get it. Okay, na? Right. Right, yes. So thank you so much. And yeah, offline classes will be started as soon as possible. Okay, maybe in the next week it will be started. Okay, right. Yes, the DDL have a drop command, ML have a delete command. Yes, but what is a drop and delete? I will explain to you in my classes. Okay, na? Right. See, your admin, Mr. Upendra, was sending one message to you guys here. All of you once open your chat box and see it. Invitation link is sent to the student who shared their mail IDs. Please check your mail. So already the people was sent to you. So who send okay or who shared their mail IDs? Who shared their mail IDs? So please go to check it out in your mail ID. The new link was already there. Online students. So Upendra is saying that go to check your mail IDs. All of you check it, guys. All of you check it out. Check it out, all of you. The new link was came or not, you can check it out. So the complete notes we send it, guys, here. Check it out one. Okay, all of you check it out. No, Karan, no. Check it out. Your name is there or not there. You are added or not. Check it out. No, not created. So in your query statement, you can give any spaces, nothing problem. Okay. In query statement, you can give spaces. So see, I'm giving spaces here. Can you observe? Select space, star, space. Okay, I can give it, no problem. So Barik, you have your, okay, Barik, do you have a laptop in front of you? Do you have a laptop in front of you? Okay. So then do one thing. So first you have to connect with your administrator. First connect with your admin. Is it connected or not? Tell me. So I'm sending to your chat box. Okay, check it out. First connect with your system and your password. At the time of installation, whatever the password you given, so that password you can type there and connected or not. First tell me. Connected or not, first tell me. Connected. Huh? Then after connected, write down this. So now type this, Barik. I given one message to you. Barik. Check it out now. So I'm sending one message. So type and say what it was saying that after type that query, what it was saying, query success or failure. Session altered. Huh? Okay, very good. And now you can create your user. Now you can create your user. So create username and give your identified by user one or something. Now you can create. Now tell me user is created or not. Now tell me user is created or not. Sindhu, don't worry. The Mr. Surendra will send to you. Okay. Don't worry. The Google Classroom they will send to you. Barik, your user created or not yet?